Hello.
Yeah, hi, good morning, Anuj.
Good morning, Ananya.
Okay,
How are you?
I am great. How about you?
I am also great.
Perfect.
Thank you for
So,
asking.
let us begin with an introduction. Introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Anuj Yadav and I am from UP. But right now I am connecting to you from MP.
Okay, okay, you're in MP right now. Perfect.
Yes.
So, something else? Your family, your hobbies, your interests?
In my family, I have five family members.
Hmm.
Apart my parents, I have one elder brother, and each and every family member doing that.
Okay, perfect. Right.
Yes.
Your interests?
My interest to reading books because I have completed my BA and B.Ed, and right now I am pursuing MA
Okay.
English
In which
Literature.
subject?
English Literature.
Okay, okay, perfect. That's pretty great.
Yes.
So, and okay, so there is a concession plan. Each tutor gets a code, and
Mhm.
use that code, you get a 10% discount.
Yes.
So, yeah, we do get that.
Mm. So,
And
ma'am, please tell me what is the perfect way to improve your spoken and how to become a fluent person and how to enhance your vocab. If you have any, like,
so the thing is that most people believe that fluent spoken English can be achieved only through reading or only through spoken English practice, but that is not the case. Uh,
mm,
you have to do both of them
mm,
simultaneously. It goes hand in hand.
mm,
Reading, writing, listening to podcasts, and watching movies with the subtitles on. All of that can be, accumulated under the category of information and knowledge collection, right?
yes.
What after that? What after collecting the knowledge? You have to put it in use somewhere, right? So,
Mhm.
spoken English practice
I
puts
think
all
you
that.
have lots of words collection, but you never use that words, and I think it is not come in your mind.
Yeah, that happens with practice. And whenever you come across a new word, you make sure that what people generally do is that they would start learning 5 words, 10 words in a day. That is
Mm,
a very useless and impractical way of learning vocabulary. The only
mm,
way to enhance your vocabulary is would be to read and
mm,
understand the meaning of the word in its context and understand the meaning in its depth. So,
mm,
for example, if you come across a new word, jot it down, write its meaning. So
mm,
solely writing its meaning and learning its meaning would do you no good. So what you have
yes.
to do is that make a sentence out of it. Even if you're
Mm,
doing one word daily, you look at it this way that you'll have 365 words in an year, right?
yes. Yes.
So that's quite a lot of words. And whenever you write the meaning of that word, try to make a sentence out of it then and there, right? Try to make a
Mm,
sentence, and when after your sentence is made, try to use that word in your speech the very same day. Keep that word in mind,
yes. Yes.
and a
Mhm.
single word, step by step, it leads to progress.
We have to need select and use that word in particular sentences and use that sentences in our daily
Yes,
life.
that way the word is going to stay, is going to stick with you, it's going to stay in your mind.
Mm,
There is no way that you'd be able to forget that word. So for example, if I give you 5 words and you come back to me tomorrow, I am pretty sure that you
mhm.
won't remember those 5 words. You'll remember either three of
Yes.
them, two of them. And if I give you
Mhm.
one word today and you come back
Mm,
to me tomorrow, having done your practice with it, having made a sentence out of it, having used it in your speech today,
mhm.
I'm very sure
Yes.
that you'll remember the word and you'll never forget that word,
Yes.
right?
Sorry, Ananya, because I am not asking about your background, and just I am curious to know where are you from and what is your qualification. I
Okay,
earlier
okay.
not asking you.
No, 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 that's
Please
completely
tell
fine.
me.
So, yeah, I live in Punjab and I am currently doing my undergraduation, my
Mhm.
bachelor's in English honors with a minor in
Mhm.
psychology from Delhi University.
Psychology.
Yes.
because I have also studied psychology, because
Oh, in the bachelor's?
yes, yes. B.Ed or D.El.Ed students have, it is a compulsory like subject for a TET or CTET exam.
Hmm.
So that's why I study psychology. It is very helpful for, I think psychology have many branches like human psychology and education psychology. So basically, I study education psychology. It is all about
Okay.
like
So does it come
how to
with
deal with
related to
students.
pedagogy and stuff like that?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
Hmm.
pedagogy.
Okay, I think educational psychology is pedagogy, if I'm not wrong.
Mhm. So I think you are study about like human psychology. Uh,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think.
So this semester, our paper was group interactions, group relations, and
Mhm.
every semester the paper changes. So we began with understanding psychology, the very basics of psychology and the concepts in psychology, the subjects, the scope, and then there was health psychology, and then there was I forgot it's
Yeah, lots
I
of
forgot the paper
branches.
title. Yeah.
Okay, don't mind. So I think you earlier suggest me like LSRW, I think process, learning, reading, speaking, and in these four parts, which one is most important role plays for enhance
For
spoken?
enhancing the spoken English, reading,
Uh,
developing your
read
voice.
Reading is most important, yeah, or writing is more important, or speaking and listening. Which one is more important?
Reading, that builds your base. You catch on
Reading.
to good words, you catch on to correct grammar while reading. See, I'll be very honest with you. I never took separate grammar classes, or I wouldn't say that I excelled at grammar. So
Mm-hmm.
it is only because I read a lot that
Mm-hmm.
I was able to achieve some fluency.
Okay, but ma'am, I have took my exam, MA exam, and in MA is a subject like a communication skills. In this book, they suggest like listening, 60% important listening. If you listen good, then you speak good. I
Yeah,
think.
definitely. If you're surrounded with people who speak good English,
Mhm.
you definitely would also imbibe and absorb their qualities.
Yes.
That is why I also
Uh,
suggest my learners and my students to always go listen
mhm,
to TED Talks and listen to podcasts. Is what
mhm.
I said in the beginning as well. So listening to podcasts, and if you want to improve your flow and your pronunciation, you might also repeat after what is being said in the TED Talk or the podcast.
Okay, then Ananya, I have another one problem. This is not my problem. Lots of people problem. Lots of people like saying I have no good like environment and surrounding of English spoken person. So how can resolve this problem?
Exactly. Then you come for practice. You speak with
Mhm,
anybody you find. Anybody you can find who can converse in English. So that is where
mhm.
Clapingo comes in, where the tutors provide
Yes.
you an environment where you can
Mm.
converse in English. Because I told you only listening,
Mhm.
only reading would not do. You have to practice, right?
Yes,
So
and according to my opinion, I think there is no need to like English environment or in English surrounding. You have to need create on self English environment if you
definitely,
capable
definitely.
to do it.
But yeah, if you're not doing spoken English practice, you
Mm.
won't be able to speak.
Yes.
It's quite very much like mathematics. Solely learning the formulas and reading some numerical problems won't really help you solve questions in your exams. You have to do written
Mm.
practices. That is
Yes.
how spoken English works.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
Yes. I have a humble request to you.
Yeah.
After ending this, 2 or 3 minutes ago, please give my review. What is the level
Oh,
of my
that's
English English
yeah, yeah.
spoken?
I think yeah. Anuj, I think you are a good speaker, but there is a lot of scope for improvement. Okay, you
Mhm.
make grammatical errors here and there because we
Mhm.
were having a conversation. I did not wanted to interrupt in between because that breaks the flow. Plus, there are
Yeah,
some
yeah.
issues with pronunciation. Okay, the
Mhm.
replacing of sure with sir. Okay,
Yes.
that is problematic. So I am sending you a code which will get you a 10% discount if you choose to subscribe again. You said you lost your number, so
Yes.
you'll have to subscribe again. Yeah. So yeah, do use that code to avail a 10% discount. Okay.
Okay, okay. Because I am also very curious to purchase any course, and definitely 1 or 3 days. After 1 or 3 days, I definitely purchase any course.
Do make use of that code.
Mm. Because English is just a language, so it comes through more and more practice. So we
Hmm.
have to need more and more practice.
Yeah. Totally agree with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
If you have any like suggestion for me, you can give me any suggestion to improve and enhance my English.
No, I think I have given you all the suggestions that I had, and if you follow them, I am pretty sure that you'll be good to go in a few months' time.
Okay, okay.
Right. So I'll see you again.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Definitely.
All right. Goodbye. Take care. It was nice speaking to you,
Bye.
and do leave a feedback for me on the app. Right.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Definitely, I give you feedback.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.